All right. LCM, which is like common denominator.
So least common multiple.
Least common multiple. Yeah, LCM stands for least common multiple, which is basically common denominator. Least common multiple, least common denominator, same thing. Same exact thing. So it's kind of like 28 and 98 are denominators, you know, and you want to find the common denominator. That's basically what they're asking. You know, if 28 and 98 are denominators, what would be the common denominator? So what is it? No, I'm kidding. It's not easy. I don't know it either. So I'm going to give you a method for it. It's not 2. It's not the greatest common factor. That's a different animal. It's not the number that goes into them. It's not, because that'd be 2, right? Or 2 or 4?
27.
2 would be 2, wouldn't it? Yeah, it'd be like 2. Like what goes into them both is 2. No, that's the GCF. That's the opposite of the LCM. So the GCF, what we were doing in the last chapter, is a small number that goes into both of them. That'd be 2. We're looking for a number bigger than them that they go into. It's just the opposite. Something that'll contain them, not something little that's in them. Right? So how do we find it? Well, I've got a little method to help. Basically, it's called the box, or I don't know what it's called, but I just put it in this box thing. What is it? Is that what it's called? Did you guys have Miss Bazarinator? She's
Yeah.
okay. She called the ladder method.
Yeah.
That is? Okay. All right. The ladder method. Here we go. Just like that ladder quiz problem. No, it's not. Is it? Not that kind of ladder. Okay. All right. So we just stick the 28 and the 98 in like an L box. I just think of it as a big L. L for least. That's like an L box, kind of, you know. Okay. Just put the 28. This will help you find it's going to be a big number. And then take your calculator and say, okay, what divides into both those? Well, 2. We already talked about that. 2 does, huh? 2 will go into both those guys. So divide them both. Put the 2 out there. Divide them both by 2. 2 goes into that one 14 times. 2 goes into 98. Isn't it 49 times? Good so far. Now, let's try another layer on the ladder, another rung on the ladder, I guess. What goes into 14 and into 49? Use calculator if you're a little rusty on some of those. Anybody know? 7 does. 7 goes into 14 2 times. 7 goes into 49 7 times. Okay, can I do another rung? No, nothing goes into 2 and 7. So I'm done, other than 1 goes into everything. So I'm done at this point. Nothing else goes into 2 and 7. So you're done. Okay, what does that mean? I'm done. Where's my answer? The answer is all the outside numbers times together, multiplied together. So you just take your calculator, 2 times 7 times 2 times 7. What is it?
2744.
2744. No?
196.
Is that what it is? 196?
Oh.
I'm not sure.
It's 196.
49, 98, 180.
I did them both individually.
I get you. 196. That's the answer. What is that thing? That's the lowest number, as big as it is. It's the lowest number that they both will divide evenly. You can check your calculator. 196 divided by 98, it'll go cleanly. 28 will as well. It's the lowest number they'll both go into. Is that good? Does everybody see how I did the ladder thing? So you put the numbers there. You say what goes in again until nothing more goes in, and then you just multiply all the numbers on the outside. There it is. All right, good. So try that, 50 and 80. Find the LCM. So do the ladder thing, 50 and 80. All right, we doing good? 50, 80. So like you could do 10 or 5 or 2, or there's lots of things that go in. 10 would be nice and quick. 10 goes in there 5 times, 8 times. But you could do 2 or 5 or, whatever. What goes into 5 and 8? Nothing, huh? So I'm done. But so what's it going to be? 10 times 5. Just multiply the outside numbers. 10 times 5 times 8. Was that 400? 400 is the LCM. Now you could have, I'll say or, you could have done it more slowly. Could have done like 5 in there, 10 and 16, and then did 2, 5 and 8. Same thing. You multiply these together, you're going to get the same thing. Doesn't matter how you do it, you'll get the same answer. 400. We good? 400 questions? So 400 is the lowest number these guys both go evenly into. That's what that means. Oops, sorry.